Build a boat. The game where we need other people. Don't build boats. You're a beginner and build a whatever this is, or you're a pro and you build the freaking Death Star. Regardless, I'll explain up the game. Think of this time to get things I'm gonna see this stuff things to do today. Build a boat is dating and time to survive. You build a boat if you want to, and try to most of the next building as the hello you. What's up, YouTube? Hey, YouTube. It's today where it's it. Anyways, with this video,
I'm the king. I'm more superior than you guys.
move out of my throne, please.
How dare you talk to Matt?
On video, guys. I already got the boat. I can see the disgusting thing. I think that's a scale. Bro, shorter than short. No, you're not allowed. No, he's sequestered. I might have overshot.
Get on my head.
I have a different way of doing things. Goodbye. Get on, you two. You ready? Let's go.
Wait, no. 3, fire in the hole.
The best.
Hi guys. So we had a little oops.
No, done. You know what? The state-of-the-art flight technology. How do you have a mini? Everyone ready? Yeah. Alright, goodbye. Yo, what are you doing here?
Hi! What's up guys? Back with another video.
I can't move. But Jess! Rest in peace, Vex. Fancy! Vex! No! We're gonna make it, though. Y'all just left me there to die?
Here. Wait, I'm not done?
We're stuck now.
No, wait.
What do you mean, no? We're stuck again! It's gonna work. Stop. What are you doing? Stop. Bro, I swear it's gonna work, bro. I swear, bro. If I become the weapon. We're cooked, bro. One rocket, we're dead. Hey, look, our rocket's still up there. Guys, we'll make it. We'll fly to the end as soon as it explodes.
How does it explode?
Bro, one rocket, we're dead. Now we'll fly.
2, 1.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I'm alive! Can you give us jetpacks? Jetting packs?
Snowball. Wow, bro. I'm out. Wow, Nova. I'm out!
He's stuck. No! You freaking monkey!
Minions, tonight, you'll let me go. Are you sure you want to launch? Can you stop stabbing me? I'll make it. Oh, frick.
He took the couch with him. No, one down. No.
This is the high life. Literally. Why is it so bright? Nova, look at his boat, bro. His boat's fire. He might have the fire boat, but I am on the light boat. I glow brighter than the sun. No, stop trying to latch on to me. Yo, Nova. Yeah. Nova, bro. Yes, Fancy. Bro, our boat survived longer than yours. It's still going on. Equipment. All you need is cute. It's too big. I can't turn it. It's too big. It doesn't matter. We'll make it with cute. This video is gonna be like 11 minutes long.
Fine.
Glitch. No! Let's go, boat. My wings! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Even with 19 concussions, 3 back pain, 17 different fractures, baldness, and wing removal, I did it. I finally did it. That's not enough for my hospital bill. What is this?
To watch my video instead of your little error.
No, I'm just kidding. But with this,
Anyways,
but with this
so
amount of
if you just this is the method in Build a Boat for those who don't know. Spam a bunch of things, and trust me, you'll get to the end.
Ew. This is probably gonna be the end of the video. I don't know what they're doing. They're probably going to.
No, I'm not. You know,
Anyways,
collab coming soon with this big guy.
See you later, fellas.